Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I brought a periwinkle plant from nursery. I didn't plant the periwinkle in a pot right away. I kept it aside for a week before planting. Took the empty pot where I placed the gravels at the bottom of the pot. Now I took the sand on the top of the gravels. Now I take a laterite soil to pour it on top of the sand. So this is a periwinkle plant I bought from the nursery. So it is very healthy. You can see the plant. Now I am removing plastic cover from it. So remove gently so that root cannot be affected while planting it. Why you can't plant the plant you bought from nursery immediately? Why? Because the plant should adjust the surrounding temperature and watering, and also you can't place the nursery plant or a plant you bought from nursery immediately or direct to the sun, so it can affect the plant's temperature. So it's better you keep it near cool area like in shady places so that you can keep the plant healthy. Later, after 1 month, you can place it direct to the sun. Now add water. You can see the plant, I planted it in the pot.